Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and today's video is going to be on this Valentine's Day makeup look I created here, and it is very soft and cute and pink and perfect for Valentine's Day. You can choose to do something like this that includes some eyeshadow work, or you can choose something like my classic red lip tutorial, which I will link in the description box below. But I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so we're about to get started here. I have not done anything on my face. I have this. I'm about to get started. I'm gonna show you guys the products and everything. Not sure if this is going to be a voiceover or just a watch me playing my makeup kind of video, meaning I'm not going to really say anything, but I'm still going to show you guys the products that I'm using. That way, if you do want to recreate this for Valentine's Day, you can find either the same thing or like a similar thing that you can use. But really, I just want to make this like a romantic, soft glam kind of a look. But yeah, I really just want to listen to some R&B and put some makeup on my face. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and let's get right into it. So I'm back, and this is the final look. It's very like, I would call this like a simple look, but I understand if you guys are, if anybody is beginners and probably thinks that the eyeshadow is complicated, but honestly I only use like 3 shadows if that, and you really don't have to do this inner part right here, so it really only takes about 2 shadows if that. And yeah, it's very simple. I almost didn't like the lip because I don't like the way pink, very pink or pale pink lips look like this, but the gloss kind of saved me, and then I was just like, you know what, I like it. And overall it made the, I have wet, that's just from my hair, you guys, sorry about that. Overall the look came out to be exactly how I imagined it in my head. It's very soft and pink and romantic, and it's really cute. So if you guys do recreate this for Valentine's Day, be sure to send me some pictures because I'd love to see. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't have a Valentine's Day, if you don't have, you're gonna have Valentine's Day. If you don't have Valentine for Valentine's Day, don't worry about it. Just make it a day of self-love. Give yourself a nice bubble bath and all of that good stuff. Honestly, you should do that anyways, even if you do have Valentine. But just it's not that deep. It's not that deep. Just enjoy your time, enjoy your day. Don't spew hate on Love Day because it's Love Day, and after all, I think we all love love, at least I do. So watch some like romantic movies and stuff, and don't feel bad for yourself. But anyways, okay, that's enough. I'm rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!